The Dinosaurs. The dinosaurs were a large group of reptiles that were the dominant land vertebrates, animals with backbones for most of the Mesozoic era. They appeared some 230 million years ago and were distinguished from other scaly egg-laying reptiles by an important feature. Dinosaurs had an erect limb stance. This enabled them to keep their bodies well above the ground. Unlike the sprawling and semi-sprawling stance of other reptiles, the head of the dinosaur's femur fitted into a socket in its pelvis, producing efficient and mobile locomotion. Dinosaurs are categorized into two groups according to the structure of their pelvis: Saurischian and Ornithischian dinosaurs. In the case of most Saurischians, the pubis part of the pelvis jutted forward, while in Ornithischians it slanted back, parallel to the ischium, another part of the pelvis. Dinosaurs ranged in size from smaller than a domestic cat to the biggest land animals ever known. The Dinosauria were the most successful land vertebrates ever and survived for 165 million years until most became extinct 65 million years ago. Structure of Saurischian pelvis: ilium, postacetabular process, ilio-ischial joint, ischium, pubic foot, pubis, acetabulum, iliopubic joint, hook of precetabular process. Gallimimus, a Saurischian dinosaur. Position of pelvis in a Saurischian dinosaur. Structure of Ornithischian pelvis: ilium, postacetabular process, ilio-ischial point, ischium, pubis, acetabulum, prepubis, iliopubic joint, preacetabular process. Position of pelvis in an Ornithischian dinosaur. Comparison of animal stances. Barosaurus, a Saurischian dinosaur. Erect stance. The thighs and upper arms project straight down from the body so that the knees and elbows are straight. Sprawling stance. The thighs and upper arms project straight out from the body so that the knees and elbows are bent at right angles. Semi-sprawling stance. The thighs and upper arms project downwards and outwards so that the knees and elbows are slightly bent. Dwarf crocodile, Osteliomys tetraspis, a present-day reptile. Common iguana, iguana, a present-day reptile. Examples of dinosaur claws: Baryonyx thumb claw, sharp tip, hook shape, claw used for catching fish, base. Mesospondylus thumb claw, top part of claw, sharp point missing, claw for digging and defense, base. Apatosaurus thumb claw, broad surface, base, top part of claw, claw used for digging and defense. Ornithomimus finger claw, base, claw used to catch prey, top part of claw, flattened surface. Skull and mandible of Baryonyx. Premaxilla, maxilla, semi-conical tooth, nares, endorbital fenestra, bony crest, orbit, postorbital process, infratemporal fenestra, articular process, mandible. Skull and mandible of Heterodontosaurus. Mandible, orbit, quadratojugal bone, infratemporal fenestra, canine-like tooth. Dinosaur cladogram. Dinosauria, Saurischia, Ornithischia. Theropoda, Sauropodomorpha, Thyreophora, Marginocephalia, Cephalopoda. Herrerasauridae, Ceratosauria, Tetanurae, Sauropoda, Prosauropoda, Coelodosaurus, Stegosauria, Ankylosauria, Pachycephalosauria, Ceratopsia, Ornithopoda.